In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search bar on Hostinger. If you want to make it easier for visitors to find products on your website, adding a search bar is a simple and very useful upgrade. It helps improve navigation, saves your visitors time, and can make your online store feel much more professional and user-friendly. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the feature and how to customize it so it matches the look of your site. To get started, open your Hostinger account and go to your dashboard. This is where you manage your websites and access all the tools connected to your site. Once you're inside your account, find the website where you want to add the search bar. Next, click Website. This will open the management area for that specific site. From there, click Edit Website to launch the website editor. This is the area where you can make visual changes to your site layout, design, and store elements without needing to code anything manually. Once the editor is open, look for the Elements section. This is where Hostinger keeps all the blocks and features you can add to your pages. Inside Elements, find the Product Search option and click it. Then, place it wherever you want the search bar to appear on your page. A common choice is near the top of the page, where visitors can easily spot it right away, but you can position it wherever it works best for your design. After adding it, click Edit Search. This is where you can fine-tune the way the search bar looks and feels. You can customize details like the font and the color, so the search bar blends nicely with the rest of your website branding. Try to choose a font style that is easy to read and colors that stand out enough for visibility while still matching your site's overall theme. At this stage, feel free to explore the element a bit more. Hostinger often gives you several design and style options, so take a moment to check what's available. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how polished and intuitive your site feels to visitors. Once you're happy with the look of the search bar, make sure everything is placed correctly and visually balanced on the page. That's it. You've successfully added a search bar to your Hostinger website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.